In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sequences to automate your sales outreach. This will help streamline your communication process and save you valuable time when reaching out to potential clients. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account or log into your existing one. Simply click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your login details, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're logged in and on the HubSpot home screen, you'll want to navigate to the Automations section. Look towards the main navigation bar, hover over it, and you should see an option labeled Automations. Clicking here will open up a menu where you'll find Sequences. Click on Sequences to proceed. Now that you're in the Sequences area, it's time to create a new sequence which will serve as your automated communication thread. To do this, you'll see a button that says Create a Sequence. Click on it and then you'll be taken to a new screen where another button, also labeled Create Sequence, will appear. Click this button to initiate the creation process. This is where the magic begins as you start setting up your personalized sequence. Sequences are essentially a set of automated emails and tasks that are sent out to contacts enrolled in the sequence. It's crucial to think about your communication strategy at this point. Consider what kinds of emails or follow-up actions are most effective for your audience and the timing that would work best. You can add as many steps as necessary to fit your workflow. Next, you'll have the option to automate specific actions within your sequence. To do this, look for the Automate option. This allows you to set specific triggers and actions that will execute at certain steps in the sequence, making your outreach as targeted and efficient as possible. When you click on Automate, another option will present itself titled Create an Automation. Clicking here will open a variety of automation rules that you can customize according to your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated sequence in HubSpot, all ready to start streamlining your sales outreach. Remember, the more you refine and personalize your sequences, the more effective they'll be. So take some time to regularly review and tweak your sequences, ensuring they align with your business objectives and the needs of your prospects. Thanks for watching and happy automating.